Everybody knows I want to build an earthship home. And everybody knows that I'm starting small with an earthship shed that we're going to use as our powerhouse, our power bunker. Knowing that I'm going to probably have to pack a lot of tires by hand, I came up with an invention. A bowling ball on a handle. Why did I put a bowling ball on a handle? And I'll tell you why. Don't pee on that, Hank. I need to hold it. Do not pee. Don't you pee on that. When people traditionally build an earthship house, they usually use one of these. Now, in my opinion, the sledgehammer face is too narrow. It impacts the dirt and sprays a lot of dirt up and out away from your impact zone. I think people are just using sledgehammers because they're economically available. You can go down to any store and buy a sledgehammer. I figured I needed something big, flat, heavy, round, that when it makes an impact, it's going to push it down and out and compact the dirt exactly where I want to go with no unnecessary displacement. Hang on, I lost you. Anyway, what I was saying is I did a few small-scale tests with this guy, and it worked better than expected. In fact, it worked rather well. Now, the only problem I've got with this is 15 pounds, and this is 10 pounds. Now, I can get a smaller bowling ball, and I can get a smaller sledgehammer. Hank, you peed on it. Dude, what the fuck? I just put my hand in that. Oh, I love you too, Bubba. It worked better than expected. In fact, it worked so well, I think it's going to be a way of the future for people who want to build earthship homes. I gotta go wash my hand.